all. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Okay, so kids, today we are going to learn a new English rhyme. The rhyme name is 1, 2, buckle my shoe. So let's start. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Okay kids, let's do one more time. Continue and with rhythm. Okay. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. A big fat hen. Yay! Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon and share and like my videos.